Google DeepMind made something cool, Gemini Robotics. It's two AI helpers that make robots smart and quick. They're built on the Gemini system, so these machines can see, hear, and move like people. Robots might soon feel like buddies. First up is Gemini Robotics. It mixes seeing, talking, and doing into one easy package. Say, fold a paper bird, or pack a lunchbox. The robot listens, gets it, and starts. It folds paper neat, puts food in right, even closes a bag. Can pass you an apple or talk in other languages. The best thing? It doesn't need lessons for everything. If it's new, it figures it out with its smart AI brain. That's awesome. Next is Gemini Robotics ER. That means embodied reasoning. It's the thinker. It plans how to move, like picking up a hot mug by the handle so it's safe, or stepping around stuff on a table. It works with other tech to help robots go smooth. Big companies like Boston Dynamics are trying it, thinking of factory jobs or robots that look like us. Google's teaming up with people like Aptronic to build this. They added smart tricks to stop crashes, plus regular safety stuff. They're even sharing ideas to keep robots safe all over. Imagine robots helping at home, working in factories, or saving people in emergencies. Online, folks are talking, comparing it to Figure AI's Helix bot. It's a hot topic. Gemini Robotics isn't just about doing stuff, it's about being clever. These robots are getting bright, and they're not far away.